Hey everyone, welcome back. Time to do some unboxings. These are a combination of stuff I bought for myself and stuff that I bought as Christmas gifts for family members and friends. So we're just going to go right along and skip along to each package, so feel free to use the timestamps down below in the description to bounce around. First we have one of these small boxes, and like I said, I'm not too sure what's in each one. Bought so many at this point that I lost track. And so it looks like this one's not for me. This one is for my family members that I live with. Starting things out, we have this for my mom. It's a Blink outdoor smart camera. Also in the box, we have some HomeKit compatible smart bulbs, a pack of 2. These are from a company called Refoss. These are for my stepdad for the 2 lights we have downstairs below. So the next one we have, I got just about 30 minutes ago. This I do believe is for me, judging by the size of it. Nope, it's not. So this is obviously not for me. This is for my little 3-month-old cousin. It's a little water mat. Decided I would get him something. And then for my dad, we have a set of 4 Govee Wi-Fi smart plugs. Nothing too fancy about these. They were probably about 20 bucks or so for a set of 4. So I said, let's do it. Last thing in the box, we have a dash cam. I don't know how to pronounce this name, to be honest, but it's a dash cam, it says so. It's for one of my close friends who said she wanted a dash cam for Christmas, so I said I'll deliver. This one does 1440p front and 1080p back, so it is a 2-way dash cam. Not that expensive either. Without a doubt, this one is for me. Since the last one wasn't, that means this one is, because I know exactly what's in this one. Look at that. 2 Govee products. Is anyone really surprised? I've been converting from LifeX to Govee very slowly. Just because LifeX is having some issues and Govee has a lot of products that LifeX doesn't carry. But this one is a 65.6 foot long RGBIC Pro LED strip from Govee. And then on top of it, got a 16.4 foot standard RGBIC set. This one's going to be replacing the 2 regular RGB strips I have in the back, just because I didn't think about it when I got them for, I believe, Prime Day this year, back in June. I didn't get RGBIC, so that was tough. This one's going to be replacing the Helion strips that are on my ceiling. It's because, once again, not RGBIC. At first I wasn't going to include this, but I decided, why the heck not? You guys will get a laugh out of it. Whitening strips. These guys went for a nice cheap $15 for Cyber Monday. Now I said, my teeth are as yellow as always, as you guys saw and have seen. My teeth are extremely yellow. So I said, let's get some white strips. Very last minute deal, but it looks promising. And last but not least for today's segment, guys, I am so stoked to show you guys this. It is the Corsair Crystal 280X Micro-ATX computer case. Guys, this is going to be the start of something special. This is the second PC build I'm going to be doing, and it's a Micro-ATX build. My 6-year-old PC right now, Big Red, is just not having it. It's having all sorts of graphics driver issues that it won't resolve. My CPU is not compatible with Windows 11 and so on. The graphics, the processing power, the RAM, everything is just way out of date, and I decided if there's any time to upgrade, it's right now. This is the only part I have for the next build. I'm gonna call this one Little Red. I am so stoked to go through the build progress with you guys. Stay tuned for that. Guys, you don't know how stoked I am right now. Here's a first look at the Corsair Crystal 280X. I know this is not a new PC case by any means, but it's brand new to me. It's going to be a new build journey going from ATX to Micro-ATX, from 2015 hardware to 2021 hardware. This is going to be the upgrade of the century for me. Can't wait to get all the hardware to build it properly this time. As you guys saw in my PC build series playlist, if you guys go back and look at that, you will see I didn't do it right, guys. So included with the case are two Corsair LL120mm fans and a Lighting Node Pro from Corsair. I'm going to be upgrading it from all of that to putting in QL140s all around, and I'm going to be putting in a Commander Pro and a Lighting Node Core also. Well, it looks like I'm saving some more money, guys. Not only do they have the Lighting Node Pro, they also have the Lighting Node Core in here. So I don't have to buy that part. That means I can just buy the QL140 fans, plug them right in, and then get a Commander Pro, and we are golden. All of these drive bays are going to be coming out just because I have no use for them. I'm going with an NVMe M.2 drive. I don't need any SSDs, any 2.5-inch SSDs, or any 3.5-inch hard drives. So these are not going to be necessary to me. This is going to be focused on cable management specifically. This is a first look at the Govee RGBIC strips, 16.4 foot and the 65.6 foot versions. First thing I will note is this comes with two 32.8 foot strips, and the build quality already, I can tell you, is nothing short of astounding. These ones also kind of have a glossy fix, but I noticed right away compared to the original Govee RGB strips, the RGBIC strips already have a much better build quality. Hey guys, once more, thanks again for watching this video. Make sure to support this channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing for more content. I decided I'm going to be making a separate video on the Corsair Crystal 280X build, as well as a separate video on the Govee RGBIC strips, because I'm going to be putting up two of them, one on the wall and one behind my bed in the desk. I'm going to be killing two birds over here with one stone, replacing two strips with one. So that should work out nicely, and also having RGBIC Pro strips around the ceiling should make a world of a difference for lighting in here. So thank you guys again for watching. I will see you guys for the next round of videos.